Hello everybody, my name is Roya Mansurkhani. I'm your professor for Drawing 2 course. And in Drawing 2 course, we're going to continue with whatever that we learn in Drawing 1. Then the composition, values, the lines, the everything that we learned in the Drawing 1, we still continue to develop them, but with colors. Color is a most important part of the our techniques. Then in this semester we're gonna learn different techniques that we can create and using of different media. The media that we are using gonna be colored pencil, it's gonna be pastel and watercolor or ink. Okay, we're going to start with color. We are going to start to know that what is the color, what is the primary colors. I'm pretty sure that you know about the colors, but this is a color wheel that we have here. And when we're looking at the color wheels, we can see primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. What is the primary colors? They are colors that you cannot create it. Then it's gonna be yellow, blue, and red. If we mix yellow with the blue, we're gonna have green. This is the secondary colors that we have. And yellow and red gonna give us orange, and red and blue gonna give us violet. This is the three secondary colors that we have, and tertiary colors are the mixture of the one secondary colors and one primary colors. And it's gonna be, for example, purple, blue here. You have a presentation in the blackboard that you have to look at the vocabulary that we are using when we want to light up, when we want to use of the some themes in the colors, when we are making one color darker and lighter, what is the vocabulary that we are using. And when I'm asking you to do it, you have to know what you have to do. Then study the presentation and learn this vocabulary. I'm gonna just talk about some of them. When we want to create the contrast between colors, we are using of the colors that we call it one of the way, not always, but one of the way is using of complementary colors. Complementary colors are the colors that are exactly across each other in color wheel. Then for yellow, it's gonna be violet. For the blue, it's gonna be orange. And for the green, it's gonna be red. They are complementary colors. When we want to use one color another way to make a colors darker, then we're gonna come down. For example, if I want to make my orange darker, then I'm gonna come and using of the red or purple red or purple. If I want to, it's another way, then we are looking of this. If I want to make my blue darker, I can come and using of the darker blue and purple that we have here. Then this is another way. When we are looking of the some colors that we want to use to don't create a lot of contrast, exactly it's gonna be opposite of creating contrast is we are using of analogous colors, the colors that they are next to each other here. Then we're not gonna make a lot of the contrast over there. This is important that you learn about the complementary colors and color up and color down for making your colors darker or lighter. The first technique that we're gonna learn is with the color pencil. I'm using of the Prismacolors. Prismacolors, they are pretty good quality. They have a pretty good quality and not very expensive. And don't use of the just cheapest color pencil that you can find. It's gonna give you a hard time to apply them when you're a beginner. Try to have a better, I'm not talking about very expensive one, but better quality media. Then if you're getting better and better, you can use of the other medium that it's not very great too. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how you have to use color pencil. You have a picture that I sent you, and you can use the same picture, or you can create your own still life. Bye for now.